This tutorial outlines one of the most useful features on LinkedIn, the People Search feature. Note that LinkedIn has one search box where you can search a range of things including people, jobs, posts, companies and groups, but this tutorial is focusing purely on the People Search function. You can use the People Search function for a whole range of things. Some of the most useful ones are to explore other people's career paths, to find people working in particular roles, to identify companies which may employ people in your areas of interest, identify potential placement or internship providers, and explore different job roles within a sector of interest. To use People Search, just start typing your search term in the main box. So I'm going to say researcher. From here you can click the link people with the title researcher if that doesn't appear, or alternatively you can just click the search icon there and then click the people results. From here you can just click through to people's profiles to explore where they work, what they've done, how they've got there, but you'll probably want to filter the results first. So for example, if I was wanting to find maybe potential companies that might employ people in those roles in a location of interest, I can add a location or locations. If the location you're interested in isn't one of the top 5, simply click add and start typing it in and then select it. You can further filter down these results by all sorts of other things here. You might want to include keywords that are relevant to the industry. Obviously a title like researcher might work in various capacities, so you could add some keywords in there. Or also by industry. So if I was interested in becoming a researcher in the charity sector, for example, I can add that into the search field here. LinkedIn calls charities non-profit organisation management. So from here I could click through to these people's profiles, again see what kind of stuff they're doing, where they work, how they've got there, could maybe reach out to some for advice. You can add multiple criteria in each category, so various locations, various industries, etc. The People Search function is also useful if you're interested in a sector but maybe don't know what types of jobs there are available. So even with this search I could look at the range of different job titles, find out a bit more about what those jobs involve from clicking through to those people's profiles and so on. So just an example of the kind of information you can get from somebody's profile. I'm going to click through to one of these. So as you can see, I can see where they work now, where they worked previously, as well as a bit about that. So that could give me ideas of potential employers I might want to contact, about opportunities or look at for jobs. You can also see what they've done educationally to get there, as well as groups of which they're a member of. This is really useful. Groups are all about professional interests. So groups come under the interest section. If you click see all and then the groups tab. So it might be worth you looking at these groups and trying to join some of those that are relevant to your interests as well. So you could use this information to make a list of potential companies you might want to look at or explore opportunities with, or even try contacting those people that you find to ask for their advice or tips on getting into the sector. To summarise then, LinkedIn People Search can help you in so many ways, including enabling you to see what path other people took to get jobs in which you're interested, to find potential industry contacts who might be willing to give you advice or tips on getting into their sector, to find relevant industry groups that it could be useful for you to join, to identify potential employers or placement providers in your location and or sector or sectors of interest, and to explore the range of job roles in different sectors. Learn more about LinkedIn by viewing the other tutorials on our YouTube channel, the LinkedIn Students website, or by attending one of our LinkedIn labs that take place during term time, details of which can be found on mycareer.leeds.ac.uk. Finally, a reminder that we're here to help you with any careers-related inquiry, either during or after your time at Leeds, so please do not hesitate to get in touch.